AURLTX103 Diagnose and Repair Light Vehicle Clutch System. I will show you how to inspect clutch. Park the vehicle to even and safe place. Choke all the four wheels. Apply the parking brake. And then start the engine. Fully depress brake pedal. And then fully depress clutch pedal. And after that, shift to fifth gear. Next, slowly release the clutch pedal and observe for engine stall. Once the engine is stalls, the clutch is good. And if the engine is didn't stall, the clutch is slipping or worn out. Here are the next procedure of inspections and service items in clutch system. Perform road test. Check for the clutch noise and engagement. Difficult in shifting gears, clutch pedal effort, and performance or low power. Check the clutch pedal height, the pre-play, and the reserve distance. And then check the master clutch cylinder for damage and leak. And at the same time, check also the clutch line underneath for damage and leak. And now, after the performing of the diagnose and inspections, we found that the clutch lining is slipping or worn out. So the next step is pull down the transmissions to check the internal component or clutch system. We are going to check the conditions of the clutch component of the manual transmissions, which is flywheel, clutch disc, clutch pressure plate, slave cylinder with release bearing for damage, leak, or noise. After the inspections and visualize, we found out that the clutch lining or clutch disc lining was already worn out. It's already touching the rivets into the clutch pressure plate. Now we are going to install the new clutch pressure plate and together with the clutch disc or clutch lining. For installations, we are going to use a clutch guide to center the clutch disc and clutch cover to pilot bearing and to ease the installment of input shaft. After the installations and repair of the manual clutch transmissions, perform road tests for quality inspections, write down job done, and write down recommendations, and then report to the foreman or supervisor for final test or quality inspections, and then report to the job control for finished job.